Cold pad batch (CPB) dyeing offers the most economical and convenient method of dyeing cotton with reactive dyes. The energy and water consumptions are at the lowest and salt addition is eliminated, thus rendering it more eco-friendly, and the dye fixation is also high. CPB is a semi-continuous process that uses a padding mangle to pad the fabric with dye liquor and a suitable alkali for reaction and fixing. After the roll is padded, it is immediately wound and wrapped. It is then batched or rotated continuously for 6 to 24 hours. Recipe of cold pad batch dyeing. Samples of cotton fabrics were dyed using cold pad batch dyeing method, 70% liquor pickup with reactive dye, 1 to 5% OF, NaCl 10 to 50 G/L, sodium carbonate 5 to 20 G/L, then dry at room temp. And fixation at 160 C for 5 minutes. Advantages of cold pad batch dyeing. Compared to exhaust dyeing, padding methods give the lowest liquor to fiber ratio in the dye bath, lesser volumes of leftover dye bath solution, faster dye application, easier control over dye levelness on the cloth, and no electrolyte is required.